You gonna jump again? Good job. Burp it out.
That was a big burp.
That was a big burp.
That was a little burp.
Come here and talk to me for a second. Are you swimming? Yeah? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Will you do a trick for me? Woo! Show me how you swim on your back. Silly. That's not how you swim on your back. There you go. Pedal. Paddle, paddle.
And those are just like a puppy. Yeah.
The clouds.
Yeah. Look, that's like a giant sea shark. Sea shark.
That's a lot of clouds up there, isn't it?
Yeah. Look how these clouds may go away.
Come jump for me again.
It's getting dark.
Yeah. Are you ready to get out?
No, not yet. Just flip water.
You want to flip water? But be careful, okay?
Can I wear my shirt to go swimming?
Yeah, as long as you get them out.
Oh, I can't swim.
Hold on. Alright, now go. Woo! Good job, sis.